Welcome to watch the tutorial video on how to start the AntBot robot. First, open the AntBot app and sign into your account. On the home page, click on Bind API to perform API binding. If you are unfamiliar with the binding process, please refer to the binding tutorial. Relevant documentation and video links have been provided in the description. Next, click on Trade to enter the trading page, then select Strategy. We will use the example of starting the Futures AI DCA strategy. Then, enter the parameter configuration page of the Futures AI DCA robot and click on BTC USDT to switch to the currency pair you want to trade. Set the parameters according to your funding situation. Each parameter has a question mark icon next to it, which you can click on to view detailed explanations. For beginners, it is recommended to keep the other parameters at their default settings. Finally, click on Launch to successfully start your robot. Switch to the Robot menu. You can check the status of the robot you have successfully launched.